Woohoo! We did it! Yes! Let's go! Hi everyone, I'm Tyler. Welcome back to a new video. So, either you're probably in either two situations right now. One situation is that you're totally confused why I just said we did it and I'm in front of this thing that you have no idea what it really is. And you're very confused. Or the other situation that you're in, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and you're excited along with me. Or you're somewhere in the middle, but still. So, if you haven't caught up with what's been happening with Roblox is going public on, or has just already went public on the New York Stock Exchange, on the US stock market. If you don't really know what that is, basically imagine just buying and selling little pieces of companies hoping to make a profit. So the price of each of the little bit of the company rises or falls, and you're hoping to buy that little piece of the company and then sell that little piece of the company at a higher price than or at a higher price than you bought it for, which means you actually earn money. So this is, by the way, this is a game where at least the outside is meant to resemble the New York Stock Exchange. I think they added accidentally too much lighting, so it's really hard to see. I'll turn down the graphics all the way so at least it's seeable. Sorry for bright light. If you're in a dark room, like, turn down your brightness. Okay, anyways. As you can see, this is kind of like a Roblox remake of the New York Stock Exchange, which is basically a location where people can buy and sell stocks or little pieces of companies. So basically, what happened today was Roblox went public, which means that they are putting little pieces of their company on the stock market. So that means that anyone can buy little pieces of the company and hope to sell them at a higher price than they bought them for. So before this, Roblox was what's called a private company, and you might be confused if you're thinking about, oh, Roblox is a public company. You might be thinking Roblox has been public for years. That's not probably the same kind of. If you're thinking that, that's not the same kind of public you're thinking about. This kind of public is when you're public on the stock market. When you're a public company on the stock market. Roblox was a private company before, which means that basically they're not public. Basically. So Roblox ended up going public today, and a lot of interesting things happened. So obviously this is a very exciting thing. You might not really realize how big of a thing this is. Also, yeah, boy. I am like a true stock investor. That's the term for people that like buy and sell stocks. But anyways, so so basically, here are some of the things to take away from this event. So this is a big deal for Roblox because it really allows like them to be a more public company for anyone to invest in them, and This could really lead to more change, to more better changes. This is what I personally think. I think that this will lead to better changes in Roblox because Roblox has some incentive to make really good changes and improve a lot of their stuff, their stock price going up. And however, this could go a bad way. So you probably have heard about EA and the fact that it's basically memed on that it is like every like it like basically like you have to pay money for everything. And people have made like memes, like for example, if Among Us was made by EA, and like memes of like you have to buy everything. Anyways, that's actually because EA is a public company, and its stock investors or people that own little pieces of the company are pushing them to do that. And that could happen to Roblox. However, I do not think this will happen, but it still is a possibility to indeed happen. So, it's also now anyone can buy Roblox stock. So if you want to invest in Roblox, go ahead. I certainly will not. I probably will. Not right now though. I'm kind of waiting for. I'm not going to use a lot of technical terms here. I basically normally when companies go public, like it's a lot of craziness, like up down up down up down up down. So I'm just going to try to wait for that to die down even more considering it, but whatever. Anyways, so, but you remember, do not act on what I say. Do your own research. Anyways, so it so now and also with this now yeah. So Roblox did end up going through a direct listing and it did happen at around 1:30 or so. It did happen at around 1:30. However, I wanted to show you this. So there is such thing as opening bells and closing bells in stocks and stuff. So these are basically the ways, at least for the US, I'm not sure about globally, but these are the ways for kind of like to signal the end or the beginning of a trading day. Because no, you can't just buy and sell stocks at any time. There's a normal day of trading or buying and selling little pieces of companies. Anyways, so sorry about that. Anyways, so the opening bells and closing bells are kind of like the signifiers. The opening bells at 9:30 a.m. to signify the beginning of a trading day, and the closing bell is at 4 o'clock and is to signify the end of a trading day. So I wanted to come and show you this. I mentioned this because I kind of wanted to show you this little cool event. So Roblox ended up ringing the opening bell. So in at least the New York Stock Exchange, um, they let companies who are going public on their on in the NYSE or the New York Stock Exchange ring the opening or closing bells to celebrate their company going public. So Roblox rung the opening bell today, at least hopefully it's today by the time I'm uploading this. I probably will be uploading this today, but anyways, so Roblox ended up ringing the opening bell. So it was Roblox's founder or Roblox's founder and CEO, David Baszucki, also known as Builderman to us Roblox users, and he ended up ringing the opening bell today. So I just kind of want to show you that. It's pretty cool. Oopsies, give me a sec. Okay, there. Okay. Okay, so basically, by the way, that was like something that would be broadcasted on like live TV. That is like real, and that's something pretty cool to see. So Roblox, you can buy and sell stock and stuff like that. You can now, and as you saw on the sides of the screen, obviously I'm not showing it anymore. Actually, yeah, I am now. You can see on the sides it said RBLX listed NYSE. Well, that basically means RBLX, that's its ticker symbol. So that's basically like a unique identifier to a company. So for instance, or in Roblox's terms, sorry about that. Roblox Roblox's Roblox's like company name is Roblox Corp. That's what's displays in like the if you watch like a business TV channel like CNBC or Fox Business. For instance, those are just two that I know off the top of my head. Yahoo Finance, if you watch their TV stuff, I'm just naming stuff off the top of my head, but you would see in if they're like showing like a chart of Roblox, you'd see Roblox Corp, and then also you'd see normally in parentheses RBLX, and that is Roblox's ticker symbol. So that is like their unique identifier. No company can have the same ticker symbol. Just to let you know. And so a little bit of stats on Roblox. So it ended up so the night before Roblox went public. So there was a reference price that was set. Basically, a reference price is kind of like what? Well, like kind of like words. Like how like kind of like for instance, if you were talking about a normal stock on a normal day, the day before that it closed, when it closed. So like defining how much a stock has gained or lost in a day is based off of what the change in price is based on the close of the day before. So for instance, if Roblox was a $100 stock and then it closed at $100 one day and then it was up 10%, that it would now be a $110 stock. That $100 is kind of like the base. It's kind of like what is being measured, I guess, if you kind of think about that. And that reference price is basically like that closing price on a normal day for a stock. Kind of. It's also, there's a lot more technical terms, but I'm trying to make this very simple. I'm sorry if it's not simple. Recommend leaving a comment down below if you're confused about anything. I'll try my best to answer. Ooh, I've just been given fly powers. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. I've just been given fly powers. This makes this video a lot more convenient. Boop. Whatever. Anyways, so, anyways, that reference price was $45 a share. So that means a share is a little piece of the company. So if you wanted to buy one share of Roblox or one little bit of the company, then it would cost you $45 reference. Keep in mind that is not true for actually buying it now. Now, with its opening price as the first trade, so at the end of the day, that's basically you won't be able to get it at $45 unless it goes down again from then, from 40 from to back to 45. But like if it continues to go up, you will not get it at 45. Anyways, it opened at $65 and it ended up closing at, sorry if this is complicated, ended up closing at $69.50. So that means basically, let's just say for instance it goes up an extra 50 cents tomorrow. Then it will then you will have to pay $70 to buy the stock if you were to buy it if at exactly $70. So that's basically how it all works. This is kind of like the little price chart thing. This is how it did. The green lines are really what to care about right now, but that's basically like all about the movements and stuff. There's a lot of other stuff that's like a lot of stuff that's yeah. So anyways, so yeah, this is pretty cool to see. It is pretty cool and it's a big deal for the company. I wanted to make a video updating on this. It's pretty cool to see. Roblox now a public company. I was very excited the entire day. I had a smile across my face the entire day because this is a pretty big deal. Okay, let me can I like toggle the fly now? Okay. Can I go speed? Of course. Okay, interesting. Disable. Anyways, let me put on my little monkey dance. It is a very exciting day, at least for me, and should really be for you because Roblox, this is a big deal. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Means a lot to me. Sorry if this was difficult to understand. If there's anything you're confused about, leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below if I can't give you an answer, which I will try my best to. But if I just can't, I would or you don't want to leave a comment or you can't leave a comment, then go ahead, just look it up. You'll sure to find some answers on the internet. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. That's basically like Roblox going public latest. Bruh. Boop. Boop. Anyways, thank you. Whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, everyone. Bye bye. Where's she wave? She wave. Bye. Have a great night.